Hey, what's up, traders? To watch this video for Tuesday, October 29th. Look at the SPY today. Gapped up to all-time highs and then just put in this really, really narrow range. Nobody knows what the heck to do with the SPY hitting all-time highs. So just a total chop fest out there. Still some really nice calls, a couple really nice calls by Wayne on Beyond, which, by the way, if you held into after hours, you're doing it wrong. As you guys know, I don't hold stocks overnight. Don't even hold my wife overnight. Anyway, it's right now 95.88 or something like that in after hours. So they did gap down on earnings, but that didn't negate some nice trades. Let me get this off here. That's an old line. Some nice trades in it today. All right. Anyway, we're watching for tomorrow. Spotify, SPOT. I did have one nice trade in this one also, but left a ton on the table. But a nice breakout, ripped through the 200 day and actually closed fairly strong. So we're going to see if we can get a follow through day. And that one, lift goes back on watch. I don't really love this one. It's kind of a squinky trader, but on the big day here, it topped out at 45.36, right here, and it's kind of flagging below that. So if we get any kind of big seller on the tape and some volume coming in, I'll probably take this through 45 bucks. But that's easy to say now. We don't know if it might open at 40 tomorrow. We never know, so we'll see. CLVS, nice volume day in this one, and pretty strong close. So I'm going to watch for a follow through day there. AVGR. Also kind of a little breakout of this island down here on strong volume with a pretty strong close. McDonald's goes back on bounce watch. I'm trying to look at this chart. I mean, it definitely had resistance and at the 190 area, kind of right here, pretty close to it again. Then it spent a week or two right around 190, and it's gotten there in a hurry. I'd love to see it flush 190. I'll be a buyer below that if it gets intraday shape down below 190. I'll be a buyer on that one for a trade, if given a proper setup. Certainly overdue for a bounce. So we're going to watch McDonald's. That's MCD, Nike, NKE. Let me slide this smaller chart up here because this kind of orangish line is the 50-day. I don't keep the 50-day on my big chart here. So and it's back down to support, right? You had this gap up here, and then you can see it's kind of held this area. Plus, it's down 4 days, 5 days in a row, whatever it is, down to the 50-day. So I do want to watch this one for a potential bounce. What else do we have? Hershey's. A lot of more normal names today. Hershey's is down like a week straight, pretty close to where it bounced off of back here, the 140 area, which also this area was resistance back here. It's gotten here in a hurry. If it keeps falling the next couple of days, I'll be looking for a 200-day bounce. But in the meantime, I do kind of like this for a potential bounce around 140, maybe a little below that. AMT, another bounce play. About 5 days in a row down to what, I don't know, used to be support. Or there's definitely some trading. I always kind of just draw a horizontal line in my mind, or you can use your mouse or draw a line. It was kind of resistance back here, could become support. I'd love to see a push down to the 200-day, but anyway, I'm going to watch that for an oversold bounce. And then CTRM, they're kind of getting those baby shippers moving. And this was, one of the more likable charts to me. The fact that it topped out back here at 422 and then today hit 402. If we get through that, we might test this and maybe break above it. Not in love with this one, but I noticed the baby shippers kind of catching a bid today. And I'm going to keep it short and sweet. We're going to watch for some earnings plays this week too in after hours because I really do enjoy trading the earnings plays. I watched a few today, though, and never did get involved in any. So hopefully we'll catch some earnings plays this week and after hours as well. But anyway, I'm done babbling. We'll leave it at that, and we'll see you in chat tomorrow.